Have you noticed how expensive AI coding tools are becoming? Many developers are paying hundreds of dollars every month just to use powerful coding models. But what if I told you there is a brand new model that's completely free, works with Claude Code, and can be accessed through NVIDIA? Today we are going to test GLM 5.2, one of the latest open AI coding model, and see whether it can compete with the premium options for real development tasks. In this video, I'll show you how to connect GLM 5.2 to Claude Code using NVIDIA free API. Walk you through the complete setup, and then we will build and test a real project to see how well it performs. If you are looking for a free AI coding assistant without paying for expensive subscriptions, this is a video you won't want to miss. So let's get started. Open browser and search for NVIDIA build.nvidia.com website. So after coming to the NVIDIA website, at the first page you will see at the top GLM 5.2. If you can see here, you can move to the models. At the top, you can see models tab. Press this models tab and we will move to the models page. Here at the top, you can see GLM 5.2, one of the best and popular model nowadays, which is competing with the Claude Opus 4.8 model. And if you didn't find, you can search here also GLM, press enter and you will see the GLM model at the top. So let's click this GLM 5.2. At the start, you can see the page. I will just show you, which is free, endpoint, and downloadable. So click it back. So here we can see how to use the BCURL and generate API key here. But what we can do, we will use it with Claude Code. So first you need to install Claude Code. Okay, so to install Claude Code, simply search for Claude install. You will see a command, okay, quick start Claude Code documentation. There is just one command to install Claude Code on your machine on Windows, Mac, and Linux. After installing Claude Code, now we will use this NVIDIA API with Claude Code, because at the start when you open Claude Code, you will move to the login page. So don't log in. Okay, skip that and we will edit the configuration. So for that we need a second, because the NVIDIA name APIs are OpenAI compatible, but the Claude Code API, they need Anthropic compatible API. So to convert this OpenAI API to Claude Code, to use it with Claude Code, for that we need to use a third party. So that third party proxy is John.ai. This is a very easy and to configure, and this is a GUI app that we can easily use and connect with Claude Code. You can download this John.ai for Windows. Whenever you click this, sorry, that has been started. I will close this because I have already downloaded it. You can see download for Mac, Windows, Linux. For all these you can download it. So after downloading it, install it. So I have already installed this John.ai app. As you can see, the John app. Let's press enter and open this app. So this is the front page of John app. So for this John app, we need to configure. We will move to the settings. You can chat with it, but we will move to the settings. After coming to the settings, here we have a list of providers. Look at, we have these providers by default: Gemini, OpenAI, Llama, Azure, Anthropic, OpenRouter. All these providers are listed. We are using NVIDIA NIM. So for that, come here to the NVIDIA NIM. I have already disabled it. So first of all, I will enable it. After enabling it, first we need the API key, and the second thing is base URL. So the base URL, this is correct. Okay, integrate.api. You can find the base URL here. After coming here, you can find it. As you can see, integrate.api.nvidia.com/version1. This is the base URL. For the API key, we will move to the settings. First of all, you need to create your account inside NVIDIA website. Let's press this login. I have already created my account. If you didn't create first of all your account and verify through phone number. I will just use my email address and continue. So the login completed. Yeah, we have logged in. Let's right click and come here to the API keys. So let's press API key and we will move to the API keys page. So I will delete all these active API keys. So press generate API key and we will generate a fresh API key. The GLM and the expiry date will be for 1 hour. Generate key. We have generated our API key. Just copy the API key. So after copying that, come here back to the John app and paste that key here. After pasting that, now we will refresh these models. So let's press this refresh icon. So look at added 6 new models. 6 new model has been added. We can find them GLM 5. There are lots of models. Okay, if we are searching for GLM 5, so that is at the end. GLM 5.2, this is at the end, as you can see. So that's it. So after configuring this, the API key, now we will move here at the left side. You can see Claude Code. Press on this Claude Code. So here we can convert instead of Claude Sonnet, because the Sonnet is default model. So instead of this, we will use GLM 5.2. So we will come to the NVIDIA and find GLM 5.2, this one. Okay, click this. For Opus also we will use GLM 5.2. GLM, search that and find that. Instead of Heiko, we can also, which model you want to use instead of the flight. Instead of this, let's use KMK 2.5 instead of Heiko. After that, press this save and enable button. So it is preparing the server. We will see the notification server has been saved. Look at environment variable updated. Please try relaunching Claude Code in a new terminal. So that's it. After doing this, come here to the local API server. You will see it is running. So let's minimize now John.app and we will use now Claude Code. So this is a project that I have already built. So let's right click and open this project inside the terminal, this path. After opening that, now here we will use Claude Code. So simply write the Claude command and press enter. So it will open the user interface, the CLI tool of Claude Code. As you can see, look at the model. ZAI GLM 5.2, 1 million context. So this is the default model which has been selected. If we press /models, press enter, you will see default. Instead of Opus and Sonnet, we have selected GLM 5.2, and instead of Heiko, we have selected KMK 2.6, as you can see. So we will use the default one, which is Sonnet, and that is GLM 5.2. That's it. Now let's start chatting with this. And we will see how much time it will take because it is on load. Most people are using this free AI model, which is provided by NVIDIA. Everyone is trying to access it. As you can see, the response generated just in 9 seconds. So now we can use this. As you see, the response which is very fast. And for example, I will just tell me about the project inside this directory. So it will just explore the project and what is this project about. And as you can see, it is asking about, do you want to proceed? Yes, I will explore the project. Yes. It is very fast. Yeah, the response, as you can see, it is exploring all files. Yeah, that's it. It is wit plus TypeScript plus Tailwind CSS project. Let me look into the key files to understand the structure and what it is. Now let me close the src directory. Let me look at the main file. That's it. It is reading all files and it will tell about that. Yeah, that was a wet TypeScript and Tailwind CSS project. So this is all detail about that project, the structure and the project, what is that about, and everything about that project is listed inside this. So it is all about this free GLM 5.2 model as we tested, and the response was awesome, very fast, and you can't imagine. Okay, I didn't expect that will be this much fast because most people are using nowadays this model, which is a very frontier, very top model nowadays. It is competing with the top models like Cloud Opus 4.8. So if the video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment because it will motivate me to make more videos like this related to free AI tools. And thanks for watching and see you in the next one.